Okay, part 3 of the filter. It's the next day. As you can see, this thing's dried for about 20, maybe 18 hours. And I've rinsed this thoroughly, and you can see the color is now white. It's no longer that kind of pinkish color or reddish color that the oil has both sides. Now, quick tip for drying these. If you don't want to wait a full 24 hours and let it naturally drip dry, put it in front of a small fan. I have a little travel fan. It's a 12-inch, maybe 10-inch fan. I put this with the side that goes towards the engine this way against the fan. That way all the water is blowing out towards the side that we want it to. And then it dries off fairly quickly. I mean, it could dry in 3 to 4 hours. You just want to make sure it's thoroughly dry. Now comes the part where we're going to add the oil. This comes in the kit from K&N, and all you have to do, give it a little shake, and then after it's shooken, you're going to spray it. Now the trick here is not to oversaturate this. You do not want this. We're going to use this bucket just to help out with the camera. You want to get just a nice thin light coat on there. So as you take your spray and make a run, you just want to do quick, even runs, and you do not have to overspray this thing. That right there is perfectly fine. Now we will wipe up some of this excess we have here. We don't want that obviously on the car, but it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Again, same thing on the other side. Quick, even sprays, and all you want to do is get a little coat of oil on there. It looks like I missed that first section, but that is more than enough. You do not have to douse these things in oil. And then it's as simple as reinserting, I missed that corner too, reinserting this back into the car now, and then that's it. You're done. Thanks for watching.